Hello everyone, it's me, Gio. Today we will understand some important applications of Cat6a cables. Cat6a cabling system will be used as the dominant cabling for 10G connectivity for now and in the coming years. Its applications include data centers, the educational field, healthcare industries, multi-gig wireless access points, and PoE applications. For data centers applications, high bandwidth is required. This can be achieved by the Cat6a cabling system. For educational institutions, Cat6a helps students and teachers with instant access to information through high-speed internet as well as high-bandwidth audio-visual systems like 4K. For healthcare industries, it is essential to transfer and store bulk data day by day and send it to different locations in the hospitals. This data can be transferred with the help of Cat6a cables. Also, there are certain standards cited that Cat6a cables are the only recognized copper cable for horizontal cabling in healthcare facilities. For all new PoE applications, Cat6a cabling is recommended, especially shielded cables, because the temperature will rise while using PoE, so this shield will dissipate heat and will allow a good transmission. For wireless applications, different standards recommend Cat6a cabling for wireless access points to deliver higher bandwidth for its smooth and multi-gig functioning. Contact Giganet now for Cat6a cables and connectivity to fulfill discussed application. Visit our website www.giga-net.co.uk or email us at sales@giga-net.co.uk. Thanks for watching. See you next time.